Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to install a Ptrap underneath your sink. So stay tuned. The reason why I have a basin here is right when we break these joints, water is going to flow and we want that somewhere to collect. What I have here is a Ptrap kit. I got this from Lowe's. You can also find them at Home Depot. They already come complete with everything, but I'll leave the link down below where you can get it also. It comes with the Ptrap 90-degree elbow with 2 nuts. It comes with a washer, nut, straight piece, and nut and washer. So I'm trying to put everything in layman's terms. I don't know the correct names for these. For this job, you only need our gloves for sanitary reasons. You're going to be encountering some nasty stuff in there, and some channel lock pliers right here so that you can easily grip and turn these fittings to loosen and remove. Also, you need a hacksaw like this just in case you need to cut something to make adjustments. So first, let's take off this fitting. Take your channel lock pliers, loosening the fitting right there. Once you have it loosened up, turn it and this should come off just like that. So be prepared, you're gonna have water drain out. Do the same thing for the other end. And slide this off. Just a note, there are 2 types of washers. Make sure that you use the one with the smaller diameter one for this sink drain pipe right here. Take your nut, put it up. So I'm gonna try to do everything one-handed here because I have one hand in the camera. Take your straight pipe, put it up here. So lightly tighten it down like that. Again, take your nut and then put on. Now take your Ptrap, the longest to the top right there. Again, that washer will sit right on top, and then lightly tighten this down. Now lastly, we're gonna take the 90-degree with the 2 nuts already manufacturedly installed on it. Now these don't need washers because inside there's already a beveled washer tip. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So it'll make that have a tight seal right when you insert it to the connector. Just connect it like so. So the reason why you don't want to tighten anything down is so you can move everything around so that it can fit. And you can move it around to the orientation of your pipes. So as you can see here, this doesn't line up. So that means I have to move this pipe upwards, and this I have to cut a little bit. So I'm gonna measure, cut, so this pipe will move up and this will sit flush with this end right here. What I'm gonna use to cut this is a handheld hacksaw. If you have a hacksaw or whatnot, this will be the best tool to use to cut this. So here's a little trick off the straight pipe. I'm just gonna place it right there, mark it with my finger. So you see that? I just place it at the edge from here to here, mark it with my finger, and that's where I'm gonna cut it. Easy as that. That's if you don't have a tape measure, but if you have a tape measure, then use that method. There you go, just cut it off. Straight piece should have the nut with the washer. Place it back up. We'll take your nut, put it back on the straight pipe, put your washer back on. Take your J pipe, fit it, lightly tighten this up, not too tight. And then at the same time, you're gonna align it with this pipe right here. So, just like that. There you have it. When you have everything nice and aligned, now you're gonna hand tighten everything. Same thing here. hand tighten it clockwise, like that. To tighten it, use your channel lock pliers and just tighten it like this. Don't over tighten it because it might fail. There you have it. Your Ptrap is now nice and sturdy. Double check everything, nothing's loose. It's good to go. Right when you install everything, turn on the faucet. And make sure that nothing is leaking, especially above here. No leaks. If you have one of these, test this out as well. Test out the plug. Move it up and down, just in case. No leaks. So once again, friends, that's how easily you can install a Ptrap onto your bathroom sink. Again, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Press the subscribe button and notification bell so you can always be in tune on simple DIYs like these that you can easily do at home, that you can save you a lot of money. Okay guys, so until next time, I'll see you in the next video.